Hi, this is a kind of special video and it's only here to say thank you to you. We have finally passed the magic number of 100 subscribers. So this channel is starting to really get relevant and YouTube will finally see us and recognize our work here. So thank you everybody who is watching my videos and subscribe to the channel. Please continue. I will try to find more interesting topics and show you how all these systems with PV, battery storage and whatever I can tell you works, and maybe you can then find some ideas out of it and also have your own projects. Okay, so again, thank you. My biggest group of viewers is from the United States, so thank you all of you in the United States. I spend a lot of time during my job also in the United States. It's a great country and you have the advantage there that you have a lot of sources for batteries and all these kind of things. And yeah, for me it's a little bit difficult sometimes because United States is, you know, you have a little bit of different electrical system there than the rest of the world almost, and so maybe there's also some kind of obstacles where people think, okay, I live in a different kind of system with my split phase equipment, and the other places they are talking about 3-phase and single phase and stuff like that. But still, electricity is electricity. So it's always a common ground and you can just take one and learn from the other as well. And then I have a big group of viewers which is from the Philippines. So thank you, Philippines. We have the common thing, we are in the same climate. You have more storms than we have here in Thailand, but you have the heat problems, you have the overcast skies. But I think you already recognized there as well as here, people starting to recognize that we have a lot of sun, and it doesn't matter if sometimes we have cloudy skies. Sun is always here in some form or the other, and there's energy, plenty of energy all over the year. But this makes the tropics different to other parts of the world, so mostly as the other viewers are coming from higher latitudes in the north, that we don't have seasons where the sun is gone, right? We have all over the year, we have sunshine. Sometimes a little bit less, sometimes a little bit more. It depends mostly on the weather, but sun is always here and we can generate electricity all over the year. Okay, then the next biggest group, I think, is Germany. Dankeschön, Deutschland. Ich bin deutschsprachig, mache aber keine deutschen Videos, weil ansonsten einfach der Zuschauerrahmen zu klein ist. Trotzdem Dankeschön fürs Zuschauen, und ja, wenn es irgendwelche Anfragen, Ideen gibt, kann ich vielleicht auch ein deutsches Video machen. Thank you very much, Germany. And the rest of viewers is kind of from all over the world. Unfortunately, Thailand is such a minority that I cannot see it in the statistics. But I know there's also viewers from Thailand, so thank you for watching. So what have been people looking most? Yeah, there's the always hot topic of BMSs and balancing. That is the most viewed videos here on the channel also. It is a very polarizing topic, and you have the people, the makers, you have more consumer oriented people, and you know, one they say, why don't you just buy an active balancer and you don't need to look at your system, and the other ones of course are interested in the details behind it. And also the people who have systems but they have really crappy maybe battery cells and they cannot do else than balance. In my case here, I'm very lucky that my cells, especially these lithium iron phosphate cells, even if they're old, they really kind of degrade the same way, and they're really equal, and it's no point for me to invest extra money for something what would not have any advantage. Second most viewed video is about the crappy micro inverters which I have, the Chinese one. I got one question in the comments about changing the voltage from 330 volts to 115. I saw that on the PCB of the microinverter it would be possible, but I never got the answer back from the guy who asked the question. We could actually find out how to change the voltage setting on that inverter, but I would just need a picture of a PCB which is from a 120 volt country. What can you expect next on the channel? There will be another project on my main Powerwall, on the AC Powerwall soon. I'm just waiting for a few extra components. I already have a shunt here. So this will be about technology transfer from my other one, where we made a battery monitor which works excellent, and we will use the knowledge from there and also transfer it to the other Powerwall, because there I now have a column meter which is totally independent but crappy. It's really not good. I will tell you all about this in another video. We have the very capable controller there, so the controller will be upgraded to also watch over the battery side. So this will be sometime in the next few weeks, maybe 1 or 2 videos, one about hardware aspects and the other one then about the implementation of the software and how it then works. So that was it already. So all just about saying thank you to you, and please if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It makes us a little bit more relevant. YouTube will recognize our work more. It will then open up to other people who never know about it yet. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe as always, and I see you soon with some other content. Thank you.